Mulliner's latest handcrafted Bentley, limited to 18 units. 2023 Bentley Mulliner Batur has revealed the most powerful Bentley ever built. The latest super-exclusive handcrafted special vehicle launched from Bentley's Mulliner division. Each Batur will cost Mulliner's clients about $2.6 million Australian dollars each, giving them the most powerful Bentley ever produced. Equipped with the durable 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged Bentley W-12, the Batur delivers over 545 kilowatts and 1,000 Newton-meters. Chassis advancements include speed-tuned air suspension, electrically active anti-roll control, electronic limited slip differential, four-wheel steering and torque vectoring. Batur was created by Andreas Mint, Bentley's design director, and his team. No more quad-circular headlights, with a pair of teardrop-shaped headlights fixed in place. The oval-shaped taillights that characterize Bentley's recent road cars have also been stretched and slimmed down dramatically at the rear. The Bentley Batur showcases the various design themes that will appear in the company's first BEV, slated for 2025, and a series of cars to follow. Mulliner's latest creations will be specially produced by the in-house coach-building division. Bentley chose the name Batur after Lake Batur, an 88-meter-deep, nutrient-rich crater lake in Kintamani on the Indonesian island of Bali. Unfortunately, all 18 Bentley Batur units for about $2.6 million have been ordered. Each vehicle will be collaboratively defined by each Mulliner client, guided by the Mulliner design team. Almost every car surface can be personalized, with each car finished individually to the taste of the owner. The car will be handcrafted over several months at Mulliner's carbon-neutral workshop at Bentley's historic factory in Crewe, England. The car is also a tribute to gasoline power and old-school performance, with an 8-speed automatic transmission, speed-adjusted air suspension, electronically controlled active anti-roll bars, electronic limited slip rear differential and four-wheel steering. No performance metrics were cited, although the 485 kilowatts version of the W-12 engine in a Bentley Continental GT Speed Coupe can sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in a claimed 3.6 seconds. Design work on the Batur that followed the bicolor convertible in Bentley's limited edition Mulliner model began with bolder frontal treatments and a long hood, while maintaining the Bentley's look. The Bentley Mulliner Batur 2023 was unveiled at Monterey Speed Week in California at the weekend, ahead of deliveries that are promised to start mid-next year. Batur's design is the work of Bentley's design director, Andreas Mint, and his team including head of exterior design, Tobias Suleman, and head of interior design, Andrew Hart-Barron. Bentley's design DNA that has driven the creation of the Continental GT, Flying Spur and Bentayga families has revolutionized the Batur, introducing new themes, approaches and details. A new form language defines a new chapter for Bentley design, as part of Bentley's Beyond 100 transformational journey to become the world's leading sustainable luxury mobility company. Batur previews the design principles, which drive the development of the company's first BEVs due in 2025 and the family of cars that follow. Batur is the heir and successor to bicolor, the 12-off Barchetta design that brought coach building back to Mulliner. Mulliner has become adept at delivering complex projects, including the bicolor and the blower continuation series, the world's first continuation of the pre-war car. The coach-building skills that have been reborn through both projects will be combined with generational expertise to produce 18 Baturs to be built, each one entirely and meticulously by hand. In addition to being the most powerful and exclusive Bentley coupe to date, the Batur will also be the most dynamic. The adaptive triple-chamber air springs have 3 interchangeable chambers each, changing the volume of the air spring and its effective stiffness. The driver can choose a balance between ride comfort and body control using the 4 drive dynamics control modes on the center console, choosing between Sport, Bentley, Comfort and Custom. Drive dynamics control also changes the behavior of the 48 volts electrically active anti-roll control system, which can deliver up to 1,300 Newton-meters of anti-roll torque in 0.3 seconds or completely separate the wheels at both ends of each axle. The anti-roll control system can also be used to adjust front to rear roll stiffness, giving the Batur sharper turn-ins and greater ability to balance the car on throttle when in sport mode. The brand's signature W-12 engine was developed to provide increased performance, making it the most powerful Bentley in history. The hand-assembled 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged W-12 engine is capable of producing over 730 horsepower and 1,000 Newton-meters of torque.